Hello guys, let us discuss about adverbs today. An adverb is a part of speech that modifies verbs, adjectives, other adverbs, or even entire clauses. Adverbs provide more information about how, when, where, or to what extent an action occurs. They help to describe the manner in which an action is performed, the time it happens, the place it occurs, or the degree to which it is done. Let's see some examples of adverbs. First one is manner. This adverbs that describe how an action is performed. For example, she sings beautifully. He spoke loudly. Next, time. This adverbs that indicate when an action occurs. For example, they arrived yesterday. I will call you later. Next, place. This adverbs that indicate where an action occurs. For example, the cat is upstairs. They looked everywhere. Next, degree. This adverbs that show the degree or intensity of an action. For example, it's very hot today. She's quite intelligent. Next, frequency. This adverbs that indicate how often an action occurs. For example, they go to the gym daily. He rarely eats junk food. Next, certainty. This adverbs that express the degree of certainty or probability. For example, I am definitely going to the party. It will probably rain. Next, comparison. This adverbs used to compare actions. For example, she runs faster than him. He sings more beautifully than anyone else. Next, conjunctive adverbs. This adverbs that connect and relate ideas between independent clauses. For example, he wanted to go, however, he couldn't. They worked hard, thus, they succeeded. See you in next session. Thank you.